Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to learn JavaScript easy way step by step. Start by installing Node.js and a code editor, then create a folder and open it in the editor. Run a simple console. Log to confirm everything works. Keep early exercises tiny and repeat them every day. Practice by modifying examples and exploring error messages to learn faster and stay motivated as you build confidence. In this video, I will show how to learn JavaScript easy way step by step. Focus on a few core concepts at a time, like variables, functions, and arrays. Use tiny code snippets to test each idea and write comments to explain them to yourself. Build small exercises that combine two concepts and iterate until they click. Repetition and simple projects will solidify understanding and make progress steady and fun. In this video, I will show how to learn JavaScript easy way step by step. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for coding playlists and hands-free timers while you learn. It fits on your desk and fills the room with sound without taking up space, making study sessions more enjoyable. If that sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to learn JavaScript easy way step by step. Begin practical work with tiny projects like a to-do list, calculator, and a fetch demo. Break each project into 1-hour tasks so you can finish parts and learn from results. Use online consoles and browser dev tools to inspect behavior. Share your code with others for feedback and repeat projects to deepen skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.